good, and we select this particular play for this purpose because this is a play that is written in a simple, undecorated, plain language. This play narrates a humorous situation that happens in one of the post offices in London. A farmer comes to this post office with a frightening news that somebody had found out a time bomb in the disguise of a parcel in one of the post offices in London.
Audio Jungle.
Good morning. Welcome to MHSS News. I am Cheldan T. Karma with you, the morning news. A strange news breaks in. A time bomb has been found inside a post office in California. The news came unexpectedly when a child heard something ticking inside a parcel this morning. The parcel had been given to the post office by a tourist and he told that it was a special gift. Now let's join Ms. Jency, the reporter of MHSS TV from California. Ms. Jency, what's the situation there? Is it confirmed that it is a time bomb?
Yes, Chedana, I am now at the post office. The situation in this post office is very tense and the time bomb is still ticking. We don't know whether it will go off. Jency Thomas, MHSS TV from California.
Oh, it is really strange. It is for the second time that a time bomb has been found inside the post office. Our reporter says that the bomb is still ticking. Now we have a reporter, Ms. Prasi from the post office. What news is there from inside the post office?
Yes, Chedana, wonderful things are happening here inside the post office. The man who had given the parcel had come back. He downrightly rejects that it is a typo. He demands his parcel back. However, the postal staffs are not ready to accept his arguments. Now, let us make an inquiry to the postal assistant about the situation. Her role is very vital here in this case. It is she who has to take a decision. She says it is very tough time to her. She sees the situation very seriously because there were news last week that the time bomb had been found in a post office in London. However, she tells she is not ready to take a final decision. She wants the police to reach final decision.
Thank you Prasi for collecting information from the postal assistant. Yes, the postal assistant suspects that it can be a bomb. She had experienced a similar incident that happened in a post office in London. Now it's time for the police to take an investigation and make necessary steps. Let us see if we can join Mr. Mahi, the reporter of MHS TV from the Office of Police. Mr. Mahi, have you talked with any of the police officer there? What do they say? Can you give any information?
Yes, the serious discussions are going on in the chamber of the police chief, and what we can understand now is that the police is primarily concerned about the safety and the protection of the public, and they are telling that there is nothing to be worried, and they are telling that they need more time to confirm that it's a time bomb, and they have made a conclusion that the situation is under control. Maki, MHSS from California.
Thank you, Mahi. He is from the police headquarters. The police says that there is no need for worry and the station is under control. However, it is yet to be confirmed that it is actually a bomb. Now we have our reporter Prasi with us. Is there any latest happening there? Our viewers are eager to know about the latest details. For latest details, we can join our reporter Prasi.
We have a witness here. It's a farmer. Let us ask him.
Yes, madam. It is a time bomb. I am sure about it. I have heard that the ticking sound inside the parcel. Now it is going to go off.
People are worried. This is what we can read from the farmer. He says it will go off at any time. can join the reporter of MHSS TV for the latest details.
The situation here really is dramatic. The people inside the post office are really scared. Look at the parcel. We can hear the ticking sound. The postal assistant has brought a bucket. Anything can happen here. Just see, there is struggle going on here. According to the farmer, the boom can go at any time. The policeman tried to uncover the parcel, but the ticking sound has stopped. It says that the boom is going to explode. The policeman takes the parcel and throws it in the bucket.
Now the bomb has been thrown to the bucket by the police officer. He was frightened by the farmer. Arya, the bomb is now in the water. What happens after that?
Chedana, nothing like this happened before. It's really stupid. It's clear that the parcel doesn't contain any time bomb. It's only a little globe. It was called away from the Switzerland. The owner of the parcel is really furious. He has lost his beautiful globe.
It is a near miss. It was not a time bomb. It was just a beautiful clock ticking inside the parcel.
Now it's time for a short break. We will soon come back with more news. Thank you.